not too bad, but they are typical mosquitoes in the woods and some sand fleas on the shore, in the sand anyway. So down here, Bob has found a nice little cozy spot in the woods, one of the few perfectly flat spots. And he is snoozing in his tent. Kevin is actually up and over the hill. He found a nice little spot, a nice little mossy, grassy spot up in the woods where he's currently setting up his tent. And here's a nice little trail to the shoreline, and I decided to set up on the rocks with my little air mattress. It's nice and comfortable and nice and flat, and I'm hoping to get a nice breeze, although it's very hot right now.